So if you're trying to start a career path in turfgrass management,
Try to work at a golf course or at a sports field or for a park and recreation department.
I would encourage you to find a good mentor.
you should be working for someone who wants to see you grow, develop, and eventually become a manager.
They're going to be able to know all the networks and to know all the professions in your field, in your area.
And ask as many questions as you can. So don't be afraid to ask questions and learn from your supervisors or your mentors. I think that's where you learn the most information alongside an education.
As a young person, you need to be led up this career path, and if you're not working for a manager that's leading you towards being a manager, then you're in the wrong place.
The way I personally got started as a golf course superintendent is I did an internship. You go to a golf course, you try to work for the summer, and you get to know the golf course superintendent, and then you ask them who they would recommend you work for the next year. And that's what I did. And that allowed me to work in different states and to learn different ways that turfgrass grows and just really to visit parts of the United States. It's a great career. There's golf courses in almost every city in the United States, and for that matter, in many places throughout the world. And it's just a great opportunity for you as a person who knows and understands turfgrass to be able to find a way of finding employment in any city, almost anywhere in the world.